Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the Team Winter YouTube channel. I am Matthew Winter. This is the new car. That's Dad. And in today's video, we are going to be working on the new car. We're going to get the do some stuff on the rear end and then kind of tidy up and finish the switch panel. We started that earlier this week, late last week, I don't remember. So yeah, you will see that after the intro. Alright, so everything is, well, finished as far as we can get to with the electrical side of things. So, button, switches, got fan, ignition, and starter button. And then all this comes out, so it comes in from the battery to the switch, comes off and into here, into the fuse box. And we run a fuse box so it'll pop the fuse instead of catching on fire. And then all this runs out through here, goes to this, and then it'll run off of that to the fan, distributor, and all that fancy stuff. That's a little crash course on how we wire our cars. We do that because last year in one of the later videos, if Dad remembers, he'll put it in the description.
I did
it caught on fire. So, and that was not very fun. So we are going to start working on our rear end to get it in the right length, back and forth.
We'll give them a tip. They can learn from our mistake.
What? We'll give you a tip, sold. And you can learn from our mistake.
We flip-flop the
You flip-flopped what?
brackets.
So what, did you put the left on the right and the right on the left?
Yes, sir. Educate anybody?
You don't want to edumacate anyone? Why don't you want to edumacate anyone?
Not my job.
Are you not a big edumacator?
Nope.
No.
My mama raised food.
You got that one too. So they come onto the rear end. You guys can see this, I don't really care. It's brand new. You can go buy one from Winters if you really want to. They're like 20, what was it, 2,400? I think I spent on it.
Where's my money?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta buy the third link for up here too. Pretty cool.
Did you say the third leg?
Third link. That's so funny. Third link mount. You broke
Here,
it?
while you're screwing around.
That'd be, you think you got enough wrenches down there?
I don't know what size shit is.
What do you want me to do? Unscrew this?
Yeah, take it off. Instead of sitting there like a
Joke's on you. Mine wasn't tight. Oh, those mounts. Oh, I thought you said meant these were wrong.
Look, if you put them on the wrong side, well, this will happen.
Oh, fancy. Like flip it the other way. What happens if you flip it the other way?
Just watch.
Oh, I'm watching.
I didn't take the trailing arm out.
I asked you if I needed to do both.
Boner head.
Boner head. I say mine rubs all over the battery thing. Alright, so we're throwing the rear end on hold because we don't have all the parts that we need to get it 100% together. So we are moving on to the gauges. Got the tach, oil pressure, water temp. And then we are going to...
Okay, Matthew.
Sorry.
Come. Oh, you just melted this. Come on.
I'll put a new one on. We are going to add extensions on. Here.
You're killing me. What? You're touching everything.
Oh, sorry. I'm a big dude.
What? This is the oil pressure?
Oreo.
Huh?
Good news. We have brought a motor to someone to get fixed and repaired for this car. So we will have 2 motors that are ready to go for the race season. See exactly what the damage is. We don't know what.
On Monday.
On Monday.
On Monday.
They're gonna let us know on Monday what is wrong with them, what is wrong with that motor. Rings more than likely. So yeah, rear end's still in there like we left it. We just got a battery in there now. But the wiring done? Wiring's done for the battery.
In a way that I don't know about.
No. So wiring's done for the battery side of things. Just getting the gauges all.
Here, the wiring is done.
What?
Up to here, the wiring
Yeah.
is done. Oh, I just
We're
melted
getting
that. Gosh darn
we're
it.
getting all the gauges situated to where all we have to do is hook them up to the motor. Gosh dang it! Move that thing. I keep stepping on it. Make it to where we can just connect the wiring to the motor and all the gauges will work. Electrical tape acquired. Found it after like 20 minutes looking. It was underneath the toolbox. Pretty dusty out of there.
Oh.
Alright, so what we did was we got everything basically where it's gonna go besides the tach, because we can't do that right now until we get a light bulb for it. So right here, got all this cool blue stuff on there with ground, and then these wires that go to the motor hooked up into the fuse box. My mom's calling me. And then both gauges work. Pretty cool, pretty snazzy. Alright, so I had to take a phone call from mom. But that is what we did today. Got all the gauges in, all electrical done, but the tach. Once again, I'll show you. But that is gonna do it for this kind of week-long video. Not really, it was like over the course of like 3 or 4 days. That's gonna do it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment if you did enjoy. If you guys want to see anything new or different in the videos, let us know in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.